So today me and my sister are going to be eating sour candy. And if you can see by our wristbands, we just went to Urbandale for our birthday party.
My sister's friend.
My friend's birthday party. And they gave us these
Chocolates. I mean, not
What-
chocolates.
Warheads. So what's in it is the Warhead Cube gummies and the regular Warheads and the Warhead spray.
I'm going to take off my wristband.
I'm going to be opening them. Okay. These are what we never ate any of them yet. So these are the cubes.
Well, you can tell that my sister ate some of hers.
No? I just opened the bag. And I was like, maybe we can do a video. So I opened these on accident.
I
But these are
didn't
the
open none.
So that one's that one. And we never opened the spray either. So which one do you want to go with first?
Let's do the...
Let's do the cubes. I don't think the cubes are going to be that.
Let's just...
No, the cubes.
spray.
We never tried the cubes for a long time. Okay. I'm going to try a blue one. Actually, I'm going to try a pink one because it's going to match my outfit.
I'm going to try a blue one because it matches my outfit.
And it matches our sprays.
Yeah.
She has blue and I have pink.
Oh, God. Please, alright. I got
Open.
it.
Okay. She spilled hers. That's good. It's not even sour.
You sure?
It's done.
I'm picking a tiny ones.
Tastes like gummy bears.
You know what should we put all of these inside? Dump it all inside the thing, the heart thing.
I think they taste like gummy worms, but they're softer.
Sissy,
Way soft.
let's dump both of these inside here.
Okay. Now it's a cereal.
But we have to still dump
I'm gonna
these
try the
in.
blue one. Blue one's really good.
Kind of sour.
My eye is so pretty.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I know what color your eye is now. It's brown.
We're gonna try the hard candy.
I'm gonna try pink one, guys.
I'm gonna try blue one because I already tried a pink one like last time I had these. Not these ones, but this is what this.
The pink one's good.
Okay, try these ones. You don't have a blue one, but she does have green, red, and stuff. And pink. I'm gonna try the blue one.
Guys,
We're trying the
I'm
opposite
scared.
of them.
Guys, please wish us a good luck.
Please give this video a big thumbs up for us. We might
Because
die today.
These are all sour things.
You ready? We're gonna cheers.
Wait, not yet.
Not sour. Cheers.
Look at mine, guys.
Mine looks green. It doesn't look green in the camera, but it does look green in the real life.
Mine looks like red. But looks
But
like
when she
pink.
eats it, it's gonna be brown.
My dad's doing a peace sign. He's saying hi.
Dad, tell them to give a thumbs up. No!
Up!
Sorry.
Okay, let's try. Okay, ready?
Oh my god. This is my sour face, guys. Look.
It's like that one. Wait, do it
Where's Brooks?
in his room. No, the one that you just did, the
Lucky
first one.
this stretcher thing.
It's kind of.
I just need to have. I need one. I need one. I'm gonna have this in case it's too sour.
Look at that. See that? Guys. It's really, really sour. It goes in my mouth. I dropped it.
You know what? Putting this in my whole entire mouth. Not gonna feel nothing.
Good. Tastes like toothpaste. Mine tastes like toothpaste.
You taste it?
Tastes like your toothpaste.
Yeah, it does.
Tastes like the kids' toothpaste that's blue. It's good.
Mine's getting kind of sweet.
Keep it in your mouth. Okay. Let's gonna move on. We'll finish that later. You can put it somewhere else. That was really sour. Now we're gonna try the spray bottle. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. What I do when I get these is I like. Oh wait, let me take off this wrapper. Is I like to use this as a cup and pour and spray them in there.
Guys, first thing I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna take off the wrapper first.
Okay, I'm gonna be spraying it like this. I'm gonna.
How many sprays are I gonna do?
I don't know. I'm gonna be like 25.
No.
That's how much I'm gonna do.
You can do how much you want. How much you want.
Oh, look at that. You can actually tell it's pink. Look, it's like the same exact color as my bow. And guys, this is merch. Go subscribe to her. And subscribe to me. Look at my tongue. It's gonna be purple after I drink this. Oh. Sour. Did you spray it back there? Did you spray it back there?
Mm-hmm.
I think she went like way back there. Is it sour?
Mm-hmm. You know what I'm gonna do?
What? Ah!
For the rest of my day, I'm gonna be eating only sour stuff.
We have sour chips. The sour chips.
What chips?
The sour chips.
The sour chips.
Lemon chips.
Huh?
Lemon chips.
I've been eating those last night. My eyes are brown too.
Look at that, guys. I'm gonna
Move.
eat them.
My eyes are brown. See? Look at
Mhm. I
my
saw.
eyes brown.
Your eyes
See.
are naturally brown as well. They just look brighter.
Bindi what?
Okay, ready? Try it. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, ready? Cheers. Look at that together. Wait, look at that together. That's pretty. Wait, move your hands. They're pretty. Wait. No. Let's try. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Cheers, people.
Wait.
Cheers. Cheers, friends.
Cheers, friends.
Cheers.
Come
Cheers. You ready, guys? Ready.
Hers is much better than mine. Mine is blue
It's
raspberry.
just sour. Mine is not that sour.
Y'all can tell that mine is blue raspberry. Y'all can see.
Mine is watermelon. Can you see that? Okay, guys. If y'all like this
Wait,
video,
guys. Before we go, I'm gonna do something.
what are you gonna do? Hurry.
see. So I'm gonna do one of these green things. No, the pink. The green one. Which I can do whatever one. And spray.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Good.
I'm gonna try really fast. I'm gonna try really fast. Oh, I sprayed my hand. Okay. That's a little sour. Goes away. But guys, if y'all like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you like any of these games. Bye.